here on the Visual Studio Code, guys. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the simple Python project. And as we know, we're going to learn the Python by using the Python projects. So in today's video, I'm coming up with the simple projects, guys. So the project will be about the number guessing game, about the simple game, which concerning about the number guessing. So we're going to play this game, a number guessing game, by using the Python code. And to get started, we are going to use the Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to create the Python file here and I'm going to save this Python. Let me save this one at let me give it the number as a number. So this should be number guessing game. So this is a number guessing game and I'm going to save this file. So now it is going to appear the Python file. It is number guessing .py. So what I'm going to do next to get started with our project, I'm going to import a random module. Since I'm going to create a number guessing game, so there are some of the random random number should be generated. So I'm going to start by the importing. So I'm going to import random module. So this one. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to declare the function. So another function I'm going to declare will be it is going to take the integer argument. So to do that, I'm going to declare such a function. So my function will be, let me call the function will be, let's say it will be guess. My function will be guess. Then I'm going to say maybe guess number. So what I'm going to do next, guessing number. Then I'm going to enter there to pass the argument. So the argument will be, let me give the number range so that the customer can the player can pass. So here will be number range. Okay, what I'm going to do next, so this is the function, and then now I'm going to print to the customer. So not the customer, to the player of the game. So I want to print to welcome to the playing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to print. So I'm going to say, I'm going to print to the player. So okay, I'm going to say, hey, welcome. Let me say welcome to the number guessing. Welcome to the number guessing game. So here it is a prompt to it is going to print to the player. So this is the first thing the player of this game is going to see, because it is going to print to the screen. So hey, welcome to the number playing game. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to print a message to ask the player of the game, so to guess a certain number. So to do so, I'm going also to print. So now I'm going to print something like I'm going to say okay, and I'm going to use f function. So let me I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to say okay, let me say maybe okay, I'm thinking I'm thinking of a number. So this will be the machine telling the person I'm thinking of a number between maybe, let's say, 1 and a specific range which you are going to pass here. So since I'm using the f there, so here I'm going to pass the number range. So but also I'm going to ask those the player of this game. So can you can you guess, please? Can you guess what it is? So can you guess the number? So this will be will be the prompt to ask the will be the things that the player of this game is going to see on the screen. So okay, I'm thinking of a certain number which will be 1 and the range we are going to put it later on. So can you guess the number? So now I'm going to generate a random number between the range I'm going to take. So the one in the this number range, I'm going to declare it later on. Don't worry, we're going to see it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to say maybe to create something like this. Let me say the because I want to generate the random number. So I'm going to say number guesses maybe equal to 0. I'm going to initialize it to 0, and I'm going to create a loop so that it continues until the player gets a collective number. So to do so, I'm going to use the while loop. So I'm going to say while. So while true, what I'm going to do, while true, then I want you, the player, you the player. So now once it is true there, now I want the guess. Let me say, see there, the value I want the guess now will be, let me say, because the user it is going to input the it is going to prompt to enter the number. So here will be the user now it is going to enter the number by using this one. So this is will allow the user now to guess the number. So because we prompted, oh, okay, tell us the number, can you guess it? So this it is going to allow the user to guess, to enter the number. And what we are going to do next, I'm going to increment the number now. So the user it is guessing. So let me do this. So I'm going to say, okay, number guesses. Now I'm going to say, okay, number guesses will be implemented. So this is a simple way to implement, but also there are many ways to declare the implementation in the Python, but I'm using this one. So okay, now I'm going to try to convert the player's guess to an integer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try, okay, I'm going to try, and I'm going to say the guess here, because I want to convert it to the integer. So I'm going to convert it to type int. So the guess now will be of type integer. So I'm convert the guess to the type integer. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to, since I press the try, I'm going to check if the conversion fails, print a error message. So if maybe the player have, instead of entering there are some of the misinterruption. So there I'm going to print the error message. So to do that, I'm going to pass the I'm going to put there I'm going to okay, now I'm going to give the exception. So that will be value error. So the value error here, and we're going to print the message. So the message will be, for this error, we're going to print that please enter valid integer. So you enter something which is incorrect. So we're going to say enter, let's say, to use a polite language. So please enter a valid integer. Okay, please enter a valid integer, guys. So now I'm going to, okay, let's say, now continue. So okay, now I'm going to say that what if the player's guess is too low? So we need to print a message to telling that you guess the number which is too low. So now I'm going to I'm going to declare if statement, and for this if statement, I'm going to say maybe the guess. We're going to say the guess of the player of this game, it is below the secret number. So I'm going to declare secret number here. I'm going to say it is below the secret number which we want him or her to guess. So what we are going to print, we're going to say that print to the screen that your guess it is too low. So what are we going to do? Say to the screen that too low, guess higher. So now you guess too low, guy. What you need to do? Print higher. So guess the higher one. So this is our first option, and then we need to declare if the player gets too high, then we need to print the message to telling them that to guess lower. So to do so now also we are going to, since we are using if, now we are going to use elif. So else if that guess, the guess it is now it is greater than, it is greater than the it is greater than the secret number. Okay, what we are going to do for this case, we are going to print also. So here we are going to print and we are going to say that you have you have you have guessed the number you have guessed it is too high. Too high, then you need to say that okay, guess low. Guess lower. Okay, now we are going to check if the player's guess is correct. Print congratulations message to the number you guess it is correct. So to do so, because we check if it is high, we check if it is low, then we are going to check if it is correct. Now we are going to use the we're going to use the else statement. So we're going to say else now will be if they guess it is correct, then print to the player of these games. We're going to say that okay, now I'm going to use also F, so F concatenation. So I'm going to say congratulations, congratulations. You guessed the number, the number, the number in the range, in the range. So the name. So I'm going to, since I put the F here, so now I'm going to say number guesses. Okay. So the message will be okay, congratulations, you guessed this the number in this lane in number guesses guess. So you maybe you you may win to this game after some times, because you may take some 2 to 4 to 6 to 10 to even more than that to get the correct number. So this is a message that is going to congratulate you as the player. So what we're going to do now, we are going to black. So after the user has got the correct number, then it is going to black. After now we have to, now the black take a place. What is next? Now we are going to play the game with the range. We are going to declare soon, and this is an example of the guess number function. So to do so, let's take this, let's take out here, and I'm going to my function here, and I'm going to say now guess number. Okay, guess number. I'm going to pass. Let's say our number now will be range from, because as you can see here above, there was a range. So what we're going to do, we are going to say okay, now the number will be okay, will be range of 1 to 100. So this is the range, and as you can see, as you can see, now let's take let's play this one, and see if there is any issue. Okay, if you have to note that this secret number here we misunderstand, because in the declaration here, in terms of the of generating a random number, so we just set it the number guesses to 0, but there are something here missing. So the secret number, which is the random number, so let's say the secret number. Okay, the secret number we are going to, okay, will be random. Our secret number will be random dot land int, and I am going to say the range of this one will be 1 1 to a certain range, which is our num range. So here the code are collected now. So you can see we start by the importing of the random module to generate the random number, and then we start by the now we let our function, and then the function it is all to guess the number which is in range of 1 to 100, and then we're going to tell the player that, okay, welcome, okay, we have number we are thinking, so can you guess it please? And we are going to use the secret number, so to generate the random number in range of 1 to 100. So but also we're going to set the looping. We're going to create a loop that continues until the player guesses the number. So up to here, guys, you can see this guess here, it is going to enter the use, it is going to prompt to the user, okay, enter your guess, but also it is going to do implementation, and we are going to try to convert the player guess to an integer by using this code here. We are going also to print the error message if it happens sometimes the player enter the incorrect or invalid number. So what we're going to do next, we're going to learn the program to see how it is going to give the result. So to get so, let's learn this program to see. Okay, here it is. And now, okay, welcome to the number guessing game. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Can you guess what it is? Okay, I'm saying yes, I can. And let me guess, it is 46. Okay, too low, guess higher. Okay, let me say, okay, 70. Okay, congratulations. You guessed the number in 2 guesses, guys. So this is how this game it is going to do for you guys. And I hope this video had some value to you guys. And if so, consider subscribing to this channel and smash the like button to give this video thumbs up, guys. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video, guys. And in the next video, I will come up with the great and amazing project, guys, regarding Python. But also in this channel we are talking about many more languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, C++. So it's up to you to check, because we learn the programming by using the simple programs here in this channel, guys. So here it's all about this video. Thank you. Let me see you there in the next video.